Hello everybody and welcome to episode number 200. I'm very honored, I'm very happy, I'm very glad and I'm very grateful to you to have my 200th episode. So it's a great honor for me to present 200th episode Sanskriti Kolkata, myself Lalia Dattagupta, and today's episode will be on Ajrak printed sarees on variety of fabrics, so please watch till the end. The first product I'll show you in Tussar Ajrak. These are all pure Desi Tussar. Zari woven border, and these are all vegetable dye original Ajrak, natural Tussar color with burgundy border, earthy tone block printing, 9950. Ajrak printing is a 16-day program. Per sari takes around 16 to 18 days to complete, and every print, every color that is given in the blocks needs to be washed after every printing. And it's a very long process, so each printing complete sari needs around 16 days time to completely dry and get it ready, wash everything. So this is the blouse piece of this pure Tussar zari woven border blouse piece with this. This is product number 1, and printed Ajrak Desi Tussar is 9,950 rupees, product number 1. And see the rich printed pallu with zari lines in between. The full pallu will have little zari weave and the block printed palla. So this is product number 1. Coming to product number 2. These are, let me tell you, these are earthy tones. These are matte finish, and these are original hand Ajrak. This is the border. These are very classy, very elegant, but it has a very subtle look. I mean, it's not too loud, too bright, because these are Tussar and these are all vegetable dyes. 9,950 rupees, but these have a totally different class. With this printed blouse piece, this is the blouse piece for this particular sari. Beautiful. These are very old process of printing, and suddenly these, with such lovely block printing and colors that have been introduced, suddenly Ajrak is very much in fashion. Now, of course, it was throughout these years, but somehow recently there is a big craze about Ajrak. And see this color. It's a very uncommon snuff and green color combination. Lime green with snuff, again with zari border. Very rich color. Pallu. Same price, all Tussar zari border Desi Tussar Ajrak is 9950. These may look dull in the front, but on wearing these look absolutely uncommon. Like I said, Ajrak is Tussar and everything. The modal looks more brighter, but Tussar are matte finish, but it's just absolutely an art by itself. These very, there's another class of people who appreciate these kind of Tussar Ajrak. Same price, even the mannequin is wearing one Tussar Ajrak. See, it's a rust color with all over Ajrak printing done. Again, zari woven border. The actual blouse of the sari will be in the base rust color. This rust color blouse piece, it will have, this is the pallu part, and it will have black dots in between the blouse piece with a border. This border will be there, this border, and this is the pallu part. The blouse piece, as I said, will be rust with buta. 9,950 rupees for the Ajrak, this Tassar sari the mannequin is wearing. Same price, 9,950, and this is a separate modal silk Ajrak ready-made blouse which we also sell. Sizes will be 34, 36 and 38, price 2250. This is a ready-made blouse. It has tie-up and front open with cups. 2250 is for the ready-made blouse piece. Now coming to some few more very exclusive printing new blocks. After long time I am showing these Tassar Ajraks. See the color, rich slate color. Achol, 9,950 rupees with zari palla, zari border, absolutely stunning rich block print. And here comes the blouse piece. Dark burgundy coffee color. There are so many colors. I mean, it has mainly it's the base color is deep burgundy, coffee kind color, and the upper part will have matte rust with the natural tussar color also. This is the pallu. Product number 5. Many of you were inquiring about Tassar Ajrak. So since we have good stock now, you can select from this episode if you are still interested. This is the blouse piece. Both side borders, you can put in the sleeves, the back or the collar. It has both side border, and here is the body print. Pallu once again. Green, beautiful print. Blouse piece in checks, checkered blouse. This is the sari and this is the pallu. Today's the printed these tussar are really uncommon ones. Grey, none of the prints will be similar. There will be little up and down here and there, but because this is the beauty of Ajrak. Blouse piece. All single piece, none of them are duplicates. We don't have any duplicate, all single piece. So I'll show you a lot of Tassar Ajrak today. So if you can give me options, it will be very helpful. Since all pieces are single piece, and no, we cannot take order of these. 9,950 rupees, product number 7. Eight, blouse piece. So here is product number 8. Take the screenshot where the number is mentioned. WhatsApp to any one of the number. 2 numbers are going, so WhatsApp to any one number. Once the payment is done, we will courier it to you. After you make the payment, kindly send the screenshot of your payment. And then send the name, address, telephone number, pin code of where it needs to be shipped. If you are in Kolkata, please visit store for more options. If you are outside Kolkata, definitely we can courier. Cash on delivery possible only in Kolkata with an additional charge. Blouse piece. Product number 10. Very smart print. Product number 10, very smart and all over block print. This is the pallu part. 9950. These goes very well with Rudraksh or any antique jewelry, even silver or gold. Not necessarily you have to wear these, but it's very difficult to find this color. So gold or silver both looks very nice. Very smart blouse piece it has. This is the blouse piece. Product number 10. Now coming to modal silk with ajrak pallu in original tie and dye bandhej. Now this is the, firstly is going the blouse piece, then coming the palla part, and this is the bandhej in pure modal, and see this edging is exquisite. Show you the color. It's a very, now after polish it will once you make the payment, we will polish it and send it to you. It will take some more time. We usually just polish the body part, and because this part is already polished. This is the pallu, this is the blouse piece. So it's this way, see the lovely combination. Modal silk is plant fiber and it's very soft. The color comes out really bright and beautiful. 9,900. I have red, really lovely shades. Like I said, in modal, in tassar, what I showed you, the color comes matte, but that itself is another beauty. In modal, the color comes more brighter. So the same process, the same color in modal or in these silks, it will come brighter, but the same color combination when you are using in tassar, it will come matte. Lovely shade of red. It's an extremely rich red. With indigo and rust, palla and ajrak blouse piece. So the blouse piece is ajrak and the palla is ajrak. The body is original hand tie and dye bandhej. So many process, so many states involved. 9,900 for this, with again blouse piece and the palla. Thirteen. Purple. Blouse piece. Very smart concept. These are all still, most of them we've just couldn't change the tag. Most of them are old prices, so can't commit that next episode will be the same price. So those who have, you all are aware how much the GST has increased. So this is the minimum range that we can offer this in this episode. Now coming to Chanderi Ajrak. This is pure Chanderi with Ajrak printing. Pallu, coffee color, small butta with lovely border, zari narrow border along with the printed border, and blouse piece. Again extremely elegant, and again this different these are again very classy, elegant saris, which it's timeless beauty actually. $5,300, 5300, product number 14. Chanderi Ajrak. Now some lovely printed Chanderi Ajrak I'll show you. Very comfortable throughout the year. You can wear this, and it's skin friendly. It's pure Chanderi and lovely prints also. Indigo. Very lightweight, very soft. Silver, gold, both looks nice. Any jewelry you try with these, it look really nice. Blouse piece, it has a self print with the border. Beautiful. Just wrap around and go. It's so comfortable, easy to maintain, and nice colors and lovely prints. And since tussar and all are almost double the price, so these are economical and looks equally nice, because these are in pure Chanderi also. Tussar has another look, Chanderi has another look, Modal has another look, but all are Ajrak. 5250. There's a 50 rupees plus minus maybe in few, because probably this has come earlier, or maybe so 50-60 rupees, there may be a difference in price, but all are same stuff. This is the blouse piece, small buta with the border. All the these pure chanderis has 2 line, one gold and one silver, very sleek narrow border, and the blouse piece and the whole sari is this printing. Beautiful color, no filter. These are normal showroom lights that we are using. The video will not be filtered. In case you need to see the still pictures, check out our Facebook page, Sanskriti Kolkata Facebook page, where these will be uploaded in the Ajrak album. So we can check out the Facebook page also if you have any doubts in your selection. Brown color with rust printing, floral. The Facebook link is already provided, Sanskriti Kolkata Facebook link. 5250 for this. Blouse piece. See how pretty the fall is coming. Rust with indigo pallu. Small buta, rust print. Can you see none of the print are even? Here some print is light, some brighter. So this is the beauty of Ajrak. This is original Ajrak. If you see Ajrak printing where everything is same, that means it's block printed, not definitely block printed, but not hand Ajrak. 5300 for this. So as I said, 50 rupees इधर उधर होगा थोड़ा सा ये प्राइस, आगे पीछे शायद आया होगा, इसीलिए अदरवाइज एवरीथिंग इज सेम. ये फैब्रिक प्रिंटिंग सभी सेम है. इसका ब्लाउज पीस कॉन्ट्रास्ट में है, ब्लू में. सो इंडिगो पल्लू, इंडिगो ब्लाउज पीस एंड बॉडी इज इन रस्ट अजरक. The last one in Chanderi. Five 5300. Beautiful coffee tone, and see how beautiful the border print is. And like I was saying, one silver and one gold, narrow sleek zari border both the sides. Blouse piece. Now coming to modal silk. Modal silk lakri patta, that means zari palla. $8950. It has a beautiful hand woven zari pallu. 8950. Again, original modal silk, pure, heavy quality, not the lighter one. This is heavy count, heavy thread count with, as I said, modal silk. The color comes out really well in Ajrak, bright and very gorgeous look. So this is in black and blue color, hand printed Ajrak with blouse piece. With tassels. '21, again black, lakri patta, see the print, there is a difference in price. The more the color you use, the more the price increases. And see, this is very intricate Ajrak. There are so many blocks involved. These are not the buta one type, this thing. The block on block, block on block, block on block. So there are many, blocks involved. So hence the price is slightly more than the buta ones, the normal ones. These are not the normal designs. 8950 Zari Pallu. I try to, as I said, I always try to give the best in printing, the best in quality and the best in design. I try at least. And I can see that you all, you love, what I say, the designs that I show. You do show a lot of appreciation, which really helps me work better. This is product number 21. '22 reddish rust color. This is one of the same color that I had worn in a previous episode, and there were many enquiries, but I couldn't give you much. That was with lakri patta. This is border pallu, no zari. Beautiful color combination and very pretty print. '7800. All comes with tassels. It has a running blouse piece. '23, another lovely print and a beautiful shade also. These are without zari, all Ajrak printed in modal. The gorgeous pallu, 7800. Blouse piece. See the print. Beautiful print in black. Each paisley has so many printing on top of each other. So there's the base print, and then there's another color that's involved, again another print, and again another color. So this is why the process, not just one block print or one or two, this is 6 to 7 blocks is there. 7800 with big rich pallu. This is the border. Blouse piece. Very pretty, isn't it? Very rich color combination, number 25. It's a very smart color. 7800. Blouse piece. Beautiful shade. $26. Beautiful print. Aanchol 7800. Blouse piece. See the print properly. I would love to show properly the print. There's so much of tedious work involved. Very smart, intricate, delicate printing border. Once again, the blouse piece. $27. Another indigo. $7800. Blouse piece. Today I would really like to thank you from the heart to all my viewers, my supporters, my subscribers, my well-wishers to help me reach the 200th episode in YouTube channel. So I'm really, really grateful to all of you. The last one, number 28, another black. Pallu, same price 7800, and blouse piece. Blouse piece. Okay, and now coming to my sari. Bottle green, pallu, very uncommon shade, bottle green color, and the ring that I am wearing is 1350 rupees is the ring, 1350. It's a statement ring. It goes with western, with ethnic wear also. Anything suits, kurtas, jackets, anything you wear. This is a very smart statement ring with red stones, and these are all filigree Afghani rings actually with pearl setting. 1350 is the ring. The pair of filigree work elephant bangles. See, here's the stone work. These two are elephant heads, and it's a lovely carved pair of bangle. It has screw system. You can open any size, it will fit. This is 2500 pair. 2500 is the pair of the bangle set, and the neck piece that I am wearing is 2200. There is tassel, so you can increase or decrease whatever. See the side stone setting, which is what it makes it really very smart, the side stone setting. So this is metals, and here you get the stone setting, very abstract, and this is also very smart. Even with shirts you wear it on top of the collar, or even with, like I'm wearing suits, kurtas, anything, these statement jewelries really stand out and gives a different look to the whole attire. 2200 for the neck piece. It doesn't have any earring, and the sari that I am wearing has this blouse piece to go with it. This is 7800. 7800 is for the sari with this bottle green ajrak blouse piece in modal silk. So that's it for today. Thank you so much. Namaskar, সবাই ভালো থাকবে।